Hi there. Now I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner using third-party app and make it stand out, okay? So first things first, what is a YouTube banner? So a YouTube banner is technically a cover photo, something like Facebook or something like that. So I'm gonna show you a YouTube banner of a famous vlogger here in the Philippines. I think this is a YouTube banner right here. See? It's like generally it's a cover photo, for example, on Facebook. Okay? So how can we make that easy? Please, before we get into it, I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper or a pen. Even a pencil is okay, as long as you can write it down. You can even use the notepad on your PC or laptop. Anyway, from here on out, open any browser you like. You can also use Google Chrome if it's that's what you want. Even Mozilla Firefox if you're there. Because personally, I'm using Microsoft Edge. This is my favorite. Anyway, once you open it up, please type in Canva.com. This is the software we're gonna use. You can use anything, even Photoshop if you're more comfortable with that. But with this one, once you're in Canva, just create an account. There is two options here. As you can see, there is Canva Pro. Let me just zoom it in. It cannot be zoomed in. I'm very sorry about that. Anyway, as you can see, just follow my cursor. There is a Canva Pro options right here. I think it has a payment after the first 30 days, and then after the 30 days you're gonna pay, I think, $20 or something like that. I'm really not sure. Anyway, for the free version, it's actually quite good, but to make it a little bit more standout, to give yourself all of those features unlocked, paying for Canva is actually pretty good also. Anyway, once we're here, you logged in, make your account. If you do not have an account, just use your Gmail to link it in. Anyway, from here on out, click create a design in the upper right, and from here I'm just gonna type in YouTube banner. Okay, since we're making banner, click that one for you. So please guys, take note that all of this templates are usable. Yes, they are actually usable, but there is a huge but on this. They're good, they're free to use, they don't even have royalties or something. However, the thing is, if you use this one, it might differ from sizes to sizes. For example, this one right here, this specific template of racial beauty, correct me if I'm wrong. If we download this as a PC size, it only fit PC. What if you're using your phone, your tablet, or something like that? It will differ. So technically, if you want to have a safe, we call it a safe download, safe project. Let's not use any template. Let me just delete this one, or just create a new page. Let me just add a page here. Let me just delete this one so we won't have any confusions. Anyway, just start blank if you really want to make sure that everything size is the same. So from here now, first things first is, personally, I wanna let it off there that this method is up to you personally, because the limit here is just your imagination. But here's what I'm gonna do if I were you guys. First things first, I'm gonna set up these rules right here from top and side. And how can you set that up? Pay attention on the left side, upper left, it's I think file, and then click on view settings. I can see here show rules and guidelines, or there's a shortcut for Shift R. Let me just click that one. It's gone, right? Let me just click Shift R again. It's back there. They're actually really important, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about earlier about the sizes. So I have a size here that I got from a guy on YouTube. So it says here I'm gonna make a rule 2053 first, going from the width. So let me just drag this down. Give me a second here. 2053. Let me just 20. Let me just get that one. Approximately 2050. It's real hard to get it. Oh, I'm missing one. I think that's enough. One sim is not gonna affect it that much. So 507 from top to bottom. Put it down. So let's just get 50. Perfect. And then again, from the height. Oh, that I got it wrong. So let me just remove this one. So 53 for the first width, and then 507 for the second width. Very sorry for that. Let me just fix that. Perfect. Let me just get as much as I can to 507, but I think they should be good since we already have one allowance there. So from top to bottom, the height is first 508. Let me get 508 here. And there you go. I think 7's good. And then last one is 930. 930 should be around here. Give me a second here. 930. And that should be good enough. So guys, please take note. As you can see here, let me just change the color. I'm more comfortable on this one. So as you can see here, I'm gonna highlight this one. This is what I call a safe zone. This portion right here, this one in the middle part is the safe zone. So this is the part where we're gonna edit. So it may be a PC edit, a tablet, a Mac, a laptop, a phone edit. It's gonna be the same size. If you edit on your phone, download it on your PC, or vice versa, it will be the same size because this is our safe zone. This is the one I'm mentioning earlier. If we're gonna use this, for example, let me just delete that. For example, we decided to go for a template, right? And then there's no sizes here. The safe zones will be removed here. It's gone. Give me a second here. I'm gonna put it back. What I'm mentioning earlier is if you use this template from here and out and download it wholly as a whole, and then you're gonna use it on your phone to download to edit it again, it will differ in size. You're gonna have a problem on editing. So I just suggest that make a safe zone first, like a margin guideline, and then edit from here. Okay? So from here on out, it's just our imagination that's gonna be our limit. So let's just say I wanna first, of course, put my text here. Let's just say my channel's name is Lessonly, of course. And from here on out, we can just edit to ourselves. For example, right here, the most important part here that most guys forget is once they put text here, for example, it's a pre-text template, they're gonna sell as of it. But if you notice, you're only focused on the tools right on the left side, but you forgot on the ones on the top. They're pretty important as well. As you can see, there's an effects here. You should create a background effect. It should be right here, and there you go. It's much better, right? You can edit the roundness. You can edit the color of the background. For example, this one or that one. It's actually really good, guys. So please utilize everything. For example, this one. And now, since this is the name of our channel, I'm gonna add a photo here. Let me just get a photo that has a L cursive logo. For example, this one. I love this logo right here. Let me just download this one real quickly. Save it to the desktop so it won't hard to find. And then click on upload files. Click on that L symbol right there. Give it a second to load. And now let's just plug it in. Okay. So as you can see, there is a white background. That's pretty much not a good sign, especially in editing pretty important logos, right? So if you want to remove this one, this black background, there's a good way or a very easy way. We call it a cheat code here in Canva. Click on edit photo right here. And then as you can see, there's a background remover. However, this is the part where the pro comes in. There is a pro Sigma right here. It has a crown. That means this is only available for a pro version, which is, it requires a payment actually. Anyway, if you click on this one, if you subscribe to Canva and you paying for it monthly, just click on this one. That background will be removed, and the only thing left is that L cursive logo. Okay. Anyway, you can also edit it, and then from here on out, you can add effects. For example, filters right here. It's really up to you guys. The limit here is really your imagination. Anyway, for the brightness and contrast, you can adjust it here, even crop it, right? But the main thing here is the background remover. It's the most important one. Anyway, from here we can just download it, and then I'm gonna teach you where to upload it on YouTube. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna open my YouTube right here, and then I'm gonna search up my channel. I'm gonna show you guys where to download that banner. So click on customize channel, and once you're here, let me just check if I'm properly recording. Perfect. So from here and out, just go in branding, and then banner image right here. Upload this one, upload the one we made. It should be on downloads, and then just crop it. See, this is what I'm mentioning earlier. The save zone right here. This is the only part where YouTube's gonna get. Okay, just click on done, and that background should be on your YouTube channel. If you click on publish, let's view it out. Let's check it. Give it a few seconds to load. It will take only, I think, 2 minutes, and there you go. Go to channel to check it, and here you go. The banner is here. Okay, let me just remove that so it's not gonna be a problem here. Let me just remove it and clear it out. Perfect. Anyway, that's how you make a banner stand out, and that's how you upload it on your YouTube channel. Hope you guys had a great time watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.